iPhone 16 Pro has a stunning new design. It starts with a big improvement to the gorgeous Pro displays. They're even larger at 6.3 inches on iPhone 16 Pro and 6.9 inches on iPhone 16 Pro Max. We did this while minimizing product growth by developing the thinnest borders on any Apple product. With larger displays, ProMotion with adaptive refresh rates up to 120 Hz, always on for important information at a glance, and amazing durability with our latest generation ceramic shield. These are by far our best iPhone displays ever. iPhone 16 Pro uses exceptionally high quality grade 5 titanium, which provides one of the best strength to weight ratios of any metal and is nearly half the weight of stainless steel. It's stronger and more scratch resistant than lower grades of titanium that others have used. iPhone 16 Pro comes in 4 stunning finishes: a darker black titanium, a brighter white titanium, natural titanium, and a beautiful new desert titanium. Battery optimizations, larger batteries, advanced power management, and the remarkable efficiency of Apple Silicon provide fantastic battery life. All the Apple Intelligence capabilities you heard about earlier enhance the Pro experience like never before. If you need to quickly find an important detail, but can't remember where it was shared, Siri will use your personal semantic index to quickly locate the information you're looking for. If you record a meeting, Apple Intelligence will generate a summary from the transcript. And when it's time to update everyone on the latest status, you'll be able to use it to help rewrite your note in a more professional tone.
This is A18 Pro. It's even faster and more efficient than A18. A18 Pro also has the new 16-core neural engine that powers amazing on-device performance for Apple Intelligence. When paired with the new, faster 6-core GPU of A18 Pro, this helps the GPU to run up to 20% faster than A17 Pro. The new CPU is up to 15% faster than A17 Pro, and is capable of delivering the same performance using 20% less power compared to A17 Pro.
Our Pro models push the limits of how we capture the world around us, and iPhone 16 Pro brings more resolution, control, and customization than ever. iPhone 16 Pro has a new 48-megapixel Fusion camera. The new 48-megapixel Fusion camera has a second-generation quad-pixel sensor that can read data 2 times faster, enabling zero shutter lag for 48-megapixel Pro RAW and HEIF photos. We are introducing a new 48-megapixel ultra-wide camera. It has a new quad-pixel sensor for high-resolution shots with autofocus. The 5x telephoto camera with our longest focal length is a huge hit. It lets you get closer even from far away with stunning quality. And now you get the innovative tetraprism design on iPhone 16 Pro Max and iPhone 16 Pro. With the camera control, you can quickly open the camera app and slide between lenses for the perfect shot, like with the 5x telephoto. Camera control will be updated later this year with a 2-stage shutter that can automatically lock focus and exposure on the subject. Just press lightly to reframe the shot without losing subject focus.
Introducing 4K at 120 frames per second, delivering our highest resolution and frame rate yet for incredible slow-mo. It's made possible by the faster sensor of the new 48-megapixel Fusion camera and the high transfer speed of the Apple camera interface. You can use 4K 120 in slow-mo or video mode. And now you don't have to make that upfront decision on frame rate. You can adjust the playback speed after capture in the new Photos app. There's a quarter-speed playback, a new half-speed option that really adds a wonderful dreamy effect, or you can bring it back to normal speed. There's also a 1/5 speed option that corresponds to 24 frames per second playback. These playback speed controls are great for easy on-the-go editing.
And that's iPhone 16 Pro with Apple Intelligence, A18 Pro, a beautiful titanium design, larger displays, camera control, and innovative features across photo, video, and audio. This is a huge step forward. They start at just $999 for iPhone 16 Pro and $1199 for iPhone 16 Pro Max. All new iPhone 16 models will be available for pre-order on Friday and will be available in stores next week on September 20th.